Welcome back to my channel. I hope you would have a clear idea of what classes and objects are from my past videos. Today we will see what is inheritance and how to implement it in our code. So before moving further, let's create a simple animal class. Here I have created two methods, two variables for animal class, color and its age. Every animal has a color, specific color and a certain age. So in the past videos I have explained you how to create these variables. Now today we will see that how to create assign a function specific to that class. We can create functions inside this class body. Let's say every animal can eat, so void eat is a function. Okay, and it simply do nothing but print that every animal can eat. That's it. We will put some comments eat function so that it becomes easy for us to read. Then suppose we have another function walk. Okay, every animal can walk, and it will simply print every animal can every animal can walk, or we will write walk in capital letters and assign some walk function here. Okay, so this is our normal class of animal, and we will create some objects of animals in the main body. Animal is a data type. Let's say we have an animal dog, and we have to call the constructor. This is the constructor for the class. Remember to put the parenthesis. Okay, now we will say uh, dog dot eat, so that it will simply print every animal can eat. Then it will print every we will say dog dot walk, and it will simply print every animal can walk. Let's run this code and see what happens. We will get our desired output. My net is slow, so that might be causing the problem here to get the output quickly. Okay, come on. Yeah, there you go. So every animal can eat and every animal can walk. But have you observed that dog in itself is a specific type of breed of animal? I mean, we can say that dog is a specific species of type animal. So dog has its unique features, like it has four legs, a tail, then it can bark. So these features are specific to the dog itself and cannot be included in animal class, because then it would it would not be a generalized class for all the animals out there. So what we can do is we can inherit dog from this animal class. So there comes the concept inheritance in OOPS, and we will see the code in Dart language. So let me give you a brief about inheritance. The capability of a class to derive properties and characteristics from another class is called as inheritance. As you can see in this picture, there are types of inheritance. The first is single inheritance, means there is some child class. In our case, the child class is a dog class, which will we be creating in a few minutes, and the parent class is the animal class, because since the dog class derives some its properties from animals, hence it is a child class. So this is a single inheritance. And in multi-level inheritance, suppose this is our animal class, then this is our dog class, and we can say that if we have another subtypes in dog class, let's say we have Labrador. So this is our Labrador class, which inherits from dog class, which in turn inherits from the animal class. Now there can be another animals also, like dog we can have cat, we can have fish. So this is dog class, this is cat class. This is hierarchical inheritance, means uh, more than one classes are inheriting the same parent. And this is multiple inheritance, means a single class can inherit from two parents. Okay, so in Dart there is a thing that multiple inheritance is not supported, because it can create some ambiguity. Means if suppose I want to access some age from parent to, of this child class, okay, and the age is defined in both parent 1 and parent 2 classes, then which age should I take? That becomes a confusion here. So that's why, due to these reasons and similar other reasons which are very complex obviously, so multiple inheritance is not supported in Dart. And the hybrid inheritance type is a combination of all of these above 1, 2, 3, 4 inheritance. Now let's see how to write a code for inheritance. We were creating a dog class, so we will create a dog class here. And since we know that dog is an animal, we will extend, means we don't want to write all this code again specifically for dog. We have written this code earlier. So there is a principle called dry principle in programming which we always have to follow. The dry concept, yeah, DRY. It says do not repeat yourself. Okay, do not repeat yourself. Never repeat a code that's already written. So we can say this class dog extends, means this dog class is an extension of animal class, okay, so that all the properties of the animal can now be accessed from this dog class. Okay, now what are the specific extra things that specifically dog has? It can bark, right? Void bark. It will return print statement. I mean, it won't return, sorry, it will print something because the return type is void, so it won't return anything. It will print dogs can bark. Okay, let's make it capital. So now when I will create a instance of dog, I will write it as dog. Dog is equal to dog class constructor, and we will write dog dot bark. Okay, and we will run this code to see the desired output. Here you go, dogs can bark. But surprisingly, have you observed one thing, that this eat and walk function, we never wrote eat and walk function inside our dog class. Those are inherited from the animal class, since we have written this extends animal here, because this is inheritance, and this explains why we need inheritance. So let's suppose this is single inheritance, by the way. This is a subtype single inheritance, and let's suppose we will create a hierarchical inheritance now. Okay, there is an this animal is a parent class, dog is first child, and let's create fish. Okay, a fish class. So class fish extends animal. So this class also extends from animal. Okay, and it has a property of swimming, so we will write swim, and fishes can swim. Okay, and a semicolon there, never forget the semicolon. If we create again instance of fish class, let's say my fish is equal to constructor for fish, and we say fish dot okay, we will assign the fish some age, let's say 1 year or 1 month. Since it's int, we can take it as months or year. Let's say 1 month. Our fish is 1 month old, and we want to print age of the fish is dollar symbol, curly braces, fish dot age. Okay, and then we will print fish dot swim, and then fish dot eat. Okay, eat is a function. Yeah. So let's try running the code and let's see what happens. So this output is from the previous code, obviously, and since we created fish instance and set fish age to 1, this print statement got executed with age of the fish is 1. And then fish.swim, which is a method of fish class, fishes can swim, and fish.eat, and this eat is coming from the animal class because we have inherited the properties from animal class into the fish class. So that is every animal can eat. But there is a thing that fishes cannot walk, right? But we have defined that every animal can walk in our animal class. So when we say fish dot walk and run the code, we will obviously get every animal can walk here, right? But that's not true for fishes. So how to update a existing function in our parent class to customize it for our child class? That is called as polymorphism, and we will see that polymorphism concept in the next video because this would then take much more time. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope to see you soon. So till then, bye bye.